Wouldn't it be great if you could have a pre-configured, dedicated server for all of your SOLIDWORKS server applications, like PDM, the License Manager, or the SOLIDWORKS electrical databases? One that was configured for optimum performance by the experts at MLC CAD and hosted in a data center, so it has excellent speed and bandwidth to anywhere in the world, so you can work from any office, or no office at all, without skipping a beat. How about a server that comes included with annual upgrades, backup and recovery, and other services performed by the experts directly, so you don't have to try to schedule a conference call with IT just to get anything done? Now imagine you can get all of that affordably, without having to make it rain on hardware purchases or piling extra work onto IT. And you've got the new MLC CAD hosted server. If you're ready for your SOLIDWORKS administration to get a whole lot easier, talk to an MLC CAD Systems representative today.